Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make birkin chicken. First, select a whole chicken, ideally weighing between 3 and 4 pounds. You'll need your preferred dry rub, a half-full 12-ounce can of beer, and a sturdy roasting pan. Begin by patting the chicken completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Getting these initial preparations right sets the stage for a perfect meal. Next, it's time to season your chicken generously. Rub your chosen dry spice blend all over the bird, making sure to get some under the skin for maximum flavor. Then, carefully insert the open, half-full beer can into the chicken's cavity. This allows the beer to steam and keep the meat incredibly moist. Place the chicken upright on the can in a roasting pan, ensuring it is stable and won't tip over during cooking. Now, preheat your grill or oven to a consistent 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the chicken for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. The exact time will vary based on your chicken's size and your cooking method. The most important thing is to ensure the internal temperature reaches a safe 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh, away from the bone. Once cooked, carefully remove the chicken from the heat source. It's vital to let it rest for at least 10 minutes before carving. This resting period allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful chicken. After resting, carefully remove the beer can, carve the chicken into your desired pieces, and serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy your perfectly cooked birkin chicken.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.